Okay, this is problem 1.7 out of Griffith's Introduction to Electrodynamics. And this one works with that funny looking R vector that comes up throughout the entire book, so it's good to be comfortable with it. So here we have a source point at 2, 8, 7. So this is just our X, our Y, and our Z. And then we have a field point at 4, 6, 8. Okay? So remember, your source point is what's actually causing your field. So you can think of that as the location of where your point charge maybe is. Your field point, that's what the location where you're actually measuring the strength that field would be. So your point charge you could think of as being at 287, and maybe you want to know what the electric field is at the point 46A. So we want to find our script R. And remember, script R will just be your field minus your source. So we have 4 minus 2 x hat plus 6 minus 8 y hat plus 8 minus 7 z hat, or 2x hat minus 2 y hat plus z hat. That's not too bad. If we want to find the magnitude of vector r, we just do the square root of the component squared. So 2 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 1 squared. So 2 squared is 4, so we have 4 plus 1, right? So that'll be 4 plus 4 is 8, square root of 9 is 3. So that's the magnitude of the vector. And if we want to find the unit vector, well, you just take your separation vector and divide by the magnitude. Sorry about that, my dog had a little bit of a barking attack there. So our vector is again 2x hat minus 2y hat plus z hat. And then you just divide by the magnitude of 3. And that's your unit vector. So very straightforward problem. Hopefully it all makes sense. If it does, please like and subscribe.